Today we are going to see is double color heart shape cookies. So here first I am going to cream my butter. I am going to add sugar little by little and cream it. Once my butter is completely creamed, I'm going to add my refined flour, which is going to be seeped inside directly. I'm going to fold my flour inside. I need a little milk, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon inside. Your dough should be soft and pliable. You can add milk as per your requirement. Use your fingers to combine. See, nice. You can see it's soft and pliable. Cream my butter. I'm going to add sugar little by little and cream it. Once my butter is completely creamed, I'm going to add my refined flour, which is going to be seeped inside directly. I'm going to fold my flour inside. I'm going to add rose syrup. Use your fingers and fold gently to make a pink color dough. So it's nicely combined. You can see the nice pink color dough. We have already made a white dough. You can see 2 different colors. I'm going to level it. Now I'm going to place my white sheet. Now I'm going to leave it in fridge for 1 hour. We have rested in the fridge for at least 2 hours now. So it's 10 centimeters I have, so I've taken 1 centimeter per strip. I'm going to place 3 at a strip. First it's white, now I'm going to convert, I changed it to pink color. Now you can see 2 lines are over. One more line I'm going to place. Now because it's pink color, now I'm going to change it as white. Give a press on all 4 directions. So you can see first is white, then it is pink, white, pink, white, pink. So this is the way we want to make up. So now I'm going to cut it into I'm going to cut it with a heart cutter. Now it's going to bake at 150 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. Heart checker cookies is completely baked.